walang pangalan at
And then, Mr. President,
I will deny it's a very, pardon the word, but it's a very stupid allegation.
Okay, Mr. President. Now, on paragraph 17, dun sa supplemental budget niya, she goes on to mention, kasi binanggit na po niya na may reward system nga dun sa Davao. She also mentioned the Davao Death
Sir,
Squad.
kasi hindi mo kasi ako binigyan ng panahon, sir. Meron talaga, sir. Meron ako, may reward. Pagka yung big crime solution kaagad, bibigay. Not very natural sa mayor yan, sir.
That was where I was going, Mr. President.
For the boys.
Yes.
Ganun.
On paragraph 17, Colonel Bargarma states